So my name is Jay Avasarala, and I work in the Department of Neurology. I lead the MS team here at UKMC. I had a patient in New York where I trained who had fascinating aspects of the disease all packaged in one young person. That kind of changed the way I thought about MS. MS strikes a person when they are in the prime of youth. There's a pediatric component, but by far and away, most disease phenotypical expression of MS is in their 20s, 30s. For me, management of a disease, therefore, the philosophy of it comes from reading, learning about the disease, and you have to do it constantly. You have a patient in front of you, you do the best you can, you answer the questions, look at all the possibilities, you eliminate those possibilities and give them the correct diagnosis. And job number one is the diagnosis, always the diagnosis. But then to me, like I said, it's always the research behind that we are and should be interested in, and we're doing that. Because at the end of the day, finally it's all about patients. It's not about research, it's about a patient, it's about a living human being. And that is what I think completes the picture for me. So.